This is a bent over dumbbell row. So you can perform this using a lot of different things in the sense that obviously you need a fucking dumbbell because it's a dumbbell row, but you can perform it with a lot of different things in the sense of where you rest your rest of your body weight, okay? Some people will do it kneeling on a bench. I'm not a particular fan of that. I much prefer, for various reasons, a standing leaned over one with a hand support, okay? So you'll see a lot of people use a dumbbell rack to lean over, but don't be a dick and stand in front of the dumbbell rack. Lean against a bench or a Smith machine or something similar, okay? How you're gonna perform this is you're going to center the foot of the same side that you're holding the dumbbell in front of you. So if I'm doing my right arm, okay? If I'm training my right arm and my right lat, I'm not putting the left foot forward because now it's opposite sides, okay? I want the foot that's on the same side as the dumbbell to be the one that's forward. That is very important, okay? What I'm gonna do then is I'm gonna lean forward as far as I can while keeping a straight back. So if I went further like here, you'll see the back starts straining. Round, excuse me. I don't want to go as far as that. I want it to be still relatively rounded, okay? Or relatively straight, excuse me. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to allow it to hang down very slightly to get a bit of a stretch. Drive it up nice and low. Back down like this, okay? You'll notice I'm not doing this, okay? I'm not swinging the weight up and down. I'm not fucking trying to start an invisible lawnmower. It's a controlled movement. Leaning over the top, holding on for support very, very rigidly. Nice controlled movement. Squeezing the elbow back, just like that, okay? The two keys for that movement, outside of everything I've just explained, number one, you're not pulling high. So you'll notice I'm not pulling the dumbbell up here, like this, okay? I'm pulling it not just up, but also down. So whenever I'm here, I'm pulling the elbow nice and low down to the hip. So think not only about up, but also that direction behind you, and that will have you finishing the movement with the elbow in the correct position, okay? The other thing is elbows close to the sides. So if I'm head on doing those, like this, I'm not bringing the elbow way out here. The elbow stays very, very close to my side like this, okay? So you don't want to have a big gap between the elbows and the sides. It's like this, pulling in tight, but obviously with the foot on the correct side, like so. So that is a bent over dumbbell row.